Welcome back to the ReWear shopping app series. In episode 10, we'll design a beautiful order success screen using Jetpack Compose. Launch Android Studio and open the Jetpack Compose project. Create the order success screen layout. Set the screen background color. Add a custom top app bar. Top bar preview. Display the product image in a card. Add the Order Confirmed heading. Show a success message below the title. Display the order ID dynamically. Create the Track Order button. Add the Continue Shopping button. Finish the UI with proper spacing and styling. Tips. That's a wrap for episode 10 of the ReWear shopping app series. See you in the next episode with another exciting feature.